Hello everyone. Now I would like to share you an exciting news with you. It's about our whole system upgrade with electronic scan and AI recognition feature. That means if you use this whole system, it can help your checkup more easy and more efficiency. Okay, now let me show you how it works. Firstly, this is the screen. And we can first of all to customize the screen in dual screen or single screen. This machine is in double screen, and the size can be in 11.6. 11.6. This one is 11.6 screen or 50.6 screen. This one is connected with the electronic scan. Installed with a camera for identify the goods. And this one is printer. It can print in receipt or label. Okay, now let me show you how it works. Now I will scan some food. Banana. Okay, and I put an apple and choose the apple. Okay, and this one is green apple.